উফ! ঠান্ডাটা তাহলে পড়েই গেল, তাই না? আর এই উইন্টারে তোমাদের জন্য একটা উইন্টার স্পেশাল মেকআপ লুক আমি ক্রিয়েট করব না, তা কি কখনো হতে পারে? So hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be creating this makeup look which is very vibrant, and this is going to be this winter season special. So stay tuned till the end and see how did I create that makeup look. So, winter season is here, and winter season means your skin needs some extra care. Yeah. So, before I start my skincare, I will remove my facial hair first, and for that, I will be using this Bioorganic Aloe Vera Gel with antioxidant green tea extract. It is a time tested healer for keeping skin toned, moisturized, and blemish free. Yeah. हेयर रिमूव करना तो आसान होता ही है, बिसाइड्स इट प्रिवेंट्स एनी इरिटेशन, और जो स्किन पर जो रैशेस होता है वो भी प्रिवेंट करता है. एंड ऑल्सो पोस्ट शेविंग भी आई यूज दिस एलोवेरा जेल फॉर माई स्किन केयर. इट इज एक्चुअली एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन एलोवेरा फ्रॉम foothills of Himalayas and contains the goodness of green tea and 4 more other natural ingredients. I just apply it all over my face as a mask and let it get absorbed into my skin for some time. सस्ता भी है और मिंत्रा, फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजन, नायका सब जगह अवेलेबल है. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea extract, rose water, honey, whatnot, which are very good for skin. And most importantly, this aloe vera gel doesn't make you feel sticky and ऊपर से keeps your skin soft and supple. So you can use it on your hair as well to get an enhanced shinier look, and also it prevents your hair fall. So if you want to check out this product, I have put down the link in my description box below, so please do check it out. After that, I have applied a primer, and I think without the primer you shouldn't apply any makeup products on your skin, because I think it works like a shield. It protects your skin from any harmful chemicals which are present in your makeup products, because you do not know all the time that what kind of ingredients are present in your makeup products. So make sure that you always use a good primer before your makeup. So you guys know that I love mixing two foundations sometimes, but in winter season I always mix two foundations, especially those foundations which are in dewy format, so that my base looks dewy and it doesn't dry out after some times. So yeah. So I have blended my foundation using the beauty blender, and you guys know that I prefer beauty blender when it comes to the blending. So yeah, after that I have used a concealer to highlight my face, which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I love bright under eyes, so that is why I have used a brighter color of concealer to highlight my under eyes as well. So why highlighting? Actually, if you highlight and contour your face, you will see that you will get a definition to your face, so that after the foundation application your face won't look like any flat surface or anything. So that is why we have to give a definition to our face, as our face is not flat. So for that only we highlight and apply the contour. So after that I will be using a cream contour for contouring my face. And you guys know that I love cream products or liquid products nowadays, especially during this winter season. I think cream products are the best. So I have used a concealer, a liquid concealer, which is 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone, to contour my face. It actually creates a shadowy kind of effect and complement the highlighting part which I have done using another concealer. After that, for my base makeup, I will be using a cream blush on the apples of my cheeks. So who have dry skin or super dry skin and combination skin, you guys know that during the winter season our skin feels very dry. So to avoid that, I will suggest to use cream or liquid products more, so that your base makeup looks dewy and at the same time it won't feel dry after a few hours. And if you have combination skin like me, you have to also apply the powder products to set all the cream products whichever you have applied till now, especially the concealer under your eyes, otherwise it will start creasing. So you have to set them using the powder products. And whoever have dry skin, I would suggest, please, during this winter season, try to apply the powder products as minimal as possible, so that your face won't look like cakey, or you won't feel any dryness on your skin after some time. So yeah, that is why I have used translucent powder, contour powder and powder blush on top of all the cream products. And I have highlighted the highest points of my face. And yeah, if you're attending any night party or any wedding occasion at the night, you need to apply the highlighter so that you can get that instant glow to your skin. So my base makeup is done. Now to set it and to make it long lasting, I have sprayed a setting spray all over my face, and I have done my eyebrows off camera in the meanwhile as well. Now I will start my eye makeup, which is going to be a very simple one. Taking a transition shade, I have applied it on my crease areas and on the outer corner, just the transition shade, and I have built it up as much as possible, and I have blended it nicely into my skin and applied that same shade on my lower eyelid as well. And taking a shimmery champagne kind of a rose gold shade eyeshadow, I have applied it on my eyelid and on the inner corner as well, using my finger only, so that I get the ultimate pigmented look. And for the waterline, I have used a white Kajal, and after that I have created a winged liner. So if you want, you can skip that part if you are not comfortable with the winged liner, but I love the winged liner sometimes, so I have created a really long elongated winged liner. After that, I have finished off my eye makeup using a mascara on my eyelashes, and that's it. To finish off the whole look, I have applied a red bold color lipstick on my lips, and yeah, that is it. So how is this look, guys? If I ask to rate it out of 10, how much will you give me? Do let me know that in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and click the bell icon for all the notifications. Now finally, bye.